Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Getting a letter with the official seal of the United States Department of Justice can be incredibly intimidating, and your mind might immediately jump to the worst-case scenario. But before you panic, it's important to understand that there are many reasons you might receive one, and most of them don't mean you're in trouble. Let's break down some of the most common reasons why the DOJ might be reaching out. First, and most commonly, it could be a summons for federal jury duty. This is simply your civic duty calling, asking you to participate in the legal process for a case in a U.S. District Court. It's a standard procedure and doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. Second, you might be contacted because you are a potential witness in a federal case. Federal investigators or an assistant U.S. attorney may believe you have information about a crime, a person, or an event they are looking into. Being a witness is not the same as being a suspect. Third, the letter could be identifying you as a victim of a federal crime. The DOJ has a responsibility to notify victims about the status of a case, their rights, and potential eligibility for restitution or other victim services. This type of communication is meant to be helpful, not threatening. Fourth, it might not be a criminal matter at all. The Department of Justice has many divisions, including the Civil Rights Division and the Antitrust Division. You could receive a letter related to a civil investigation, such as a fair housing complaint, a disability access issue, or a corporate merger investigation that affects your business. Now, for the one everyone fears, you could be the subject or target of an investigation. A target letter is a formal notification that you are a person of interest in a grand jury investigation. This is the most serious type of letter and requires immediate action. Finally, and this is crucial, you must consider that the letter could be a scam. Criminals often use the intimidating name of the DOJ to create fake letters or emails to scare you into sending money or giving up personal information. A real DOJ letter will not threaten you with immediate arrest if you don't pay a fine with a gift card or wire transfer. So, what should you do? First, do not ignore it. Read the letter carefully to understand its purpose. Verify its authenticity by looking up the official phone number for the specific DOJ office mentioned. Do not use a number from the letter itself and call them to confirm they sent it. If the letter is legitimate and suggests you are a target, a subject of an investigation, or even a witness, your very next step should be to contact an attorney, preferably one with experience in federal court, before you respond. Navigating any communication from the government can be stressful, but understanding the possibilities is the first step to handling it correctly. We hope this breakdown helps demystify the process. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more clear explanations on complex topics.